These are actually going to go out to Kindlers who hit certain milestones. So let's see what this looks like. I'm excited to see what it looks like. So hopefully they came out right. This is my first time seeing them, just like it's your first time seeing them. So if you're in the Kindle Cash Flow group and you hit a certain milestone, we actually have gold and platinum plaques that we're going to be giving out at Kindle Cash Flow Live, and that we'll be giving out to people that hit certain milestones. So can't wait to give you one of these. All right, so zoom in on it. Let's see how. So here's what we want to give you. So one of these is going to have your name on it, Kindle Cash Flow. Congrats on earning a spot in the Kindle Cash Flow Hall of Fame. Hashtag stay focused. Hashtag year of the paper. Hashtag make Amazon pay for everything. So boom, there you go. Type Cohen, KindleCashFlow.com. Can't wait to see you at Kindle Cash Flow Live and give you one of these special plaques with your name on it. We're actually going to be making sure that we customize it to the next level and put everyone's name on it. Again, gold, silver, and platinum. So which one will you get?